Without you, I won't let you go. You got that thing that I've been looking for, and you got a heart full of gold, and that's really turning me on. Yeah, you are everything that I dreamed of. Now we can paint a picture. You are making my life much greener. Yeah, yeah. All I can say is I adore you. You got something that I ain't seen before. Hold me 'cause baby I'm yours, and that's really turning me on. Yeah, you are everything that I dreamed of. Now we can paint a picture. You are making my life much greener. Yeah, yeah.
Good morning, guys. Let me turn down the music a little bit. Oh. Good morning. How you doing, guys? Baite, Zara, Yabu, Ryan, Jabat, morning. How you doing, guys? Crazy week, man. No way. Damn, what a market, right? What a market. Can you hear me? Can you hear me loud enough? Sound check 1 2 1 2 1 2. Seems like my mic is really quiet. Hello? So this is fine actually. Isn't working top okay. Question is why? Hello? Hold on, I'm gonna boost it, I guess. Test. Why is it so quiet? Hello? Test. I'm far away. Why? I didn't change anything. Hold on. I'm gonna turn off the music. Okay. Test. I can't hear myself, so you gotta give me feedback. So it's correct. Everything is correct here. I didn't change anything. Okay, no change. Oh. Hold on. Test. What's that? I'm gonna listen to myself now. What the hell? This is a test for myself. Test. Cut. What the hell, man? Did someone damage my microphone? Are you kidding me? Cannot be serious. No way. I recently recorded a video for you guys and everything was fine, alright? Aha! Aha! Now it should work. Is it working? Now it should work. Again, this is an official test for myself. Again, this? Yeah. Now it should work, guys. Yes? No? Maybe? I think, still a bit odd. What? Ronald just said it's still a bit odd. So I've got to check it again and do a little test. 1, 2, 3. My name is Jeremy. Ronald just said it's still a bit odd. So I've... What? It's okay right now for me. But do you guys... compression. Test. This is a test. The playback is great, but the live version is off. Oh, I'm gonna restart the stream, alright? I'm gonna restart it. Ah, wait, I think... I know, wait. I think I got it. Is this better right now? Is this better? Now it should be fine. Oh, finally, we got it. Thanks for your cooperation, guys. Now we got it. Now I can turn on the music. Okay, easy, nice, okay. Now we got it, nice. Great. So, yeah, it's a crazy market, right, guys? Crazy, volatile, annoying market. What can we do about it? Hold on. We got some news, man. Hong Kong reports 55 new cases. Buy and take. Oh, you gray, you go long? Man, gold is going crazy. Gold is just like, I expected to hit 1,500. Could imagine that it's gonna hit it. Especially, did you see what's happening to the bonds, guys? US government bonds. Look at the 5-year bond. No, wait. US bonds. It was the yield of... It was... US bonds, come on. US bonds. Which one was it? Was it that one? Yeah, that one. The 5 years bond, or the US government bonds 5-year yield is at, look, all-time low. This is, by the way, why gold is, or one reason why gold is pumping so hard. The, how do you call it? the real interest rate of this yield is minus inflation, you know, and all the costs. So you actually got to pay for the bond that you know that you buy, that you purchase. So since the yield or the interest is so low and gold has no interest at all, you know, gold is so in it, you know, additionally, of course, additionally with the US dollar weakness, gold is so strong. And it's, you know, there's no paid interest in gold, so it's kinda yummy for the market. Gold makes you humble many times. I always said never go against gold, eh? Never go against gold. Do not short it. I would not recommend to short it. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Now let's see what Euro USD is about to do. If Euro USD is breaking this high, then we're probably gonna see another rally to the upside. This entire SHS pattern is invalid then. Okay, so I'm currently looking at CAT CHF because I expect oil to, you know, freak the hell out, like to go up very high. Hold on, where's gold? Crude. Looks like, yeah, it's gonna break out here. Look, it's going to break out. Oil here, and if it's going to break out, then we probably see a rise of CAT and CAT CHF. CAT JPY is already rising. Oh, look at DXY. God damn it. CAT JPY is already rising. Oh, like I said, you know, you remember Friday when I said, oh, we probably have a good, we probably have a very nice long setup for CAT JPY. Gosh, next week after this fake out, too bad that we didn't take it. Never mind. NZD USD is running good so far. CAT JPY. Euro GBP is such a mess. Again, another fake out. Testing the trend line here. This one. Breakout retest. I thought it would, you know, instantly continue here after the breakout, but now it's, oh, guys. It's such a messy market. It's such a messy market. Now look at Euro USD. What is RJPY doing, by the way? RJPY. RJPY about to break this strong resistance zone here. Means we could look for a buy. A nice fake out below here. Thomas, gold to wear 2,500. That's what I expect. I would like to follow this RJPY here. Especially SPX is about to create an all-time high, look, or it's about to retest this high. USD still waiting for it. CAD CHF, I'm also waiting for the breakout here. This will be a plan. And Euro USD going, okay guys, we should buy our JPY because it's breaking this strong resistance here, and we see fake double top pattern here, and AUD USD, NZD USD, all the risk ons are going up. Look at AUD CHF. Still struggling, okay. AUD USD going up with NZD USD, okay. AUD JPY, let's get back to it. And the structure is really weird. So this is our resistance, this is our support, or at least the key support level. You can see it clearly here, and there's another support right there. Consolidation or accumulation. Yeah, all this has been X 1 2 3 4, yeah, so this 1 2 3 long consolidation. There's some rumors that Trump is expecting a big NFP number, by the way, on Friday. A big bad number or a big good number? See. This entire structure looks like could make it long trade until this resistance here. The structure doesn't look great. Yeah, I'm also long on NZD USD, that one. Slightly in profit here. Let's see. If stock market continues to go up, then NZD USD, AUD USD will probably go up as well, and DXY will continue to drop. Let me see. Chasing volume out. It should actually go up. Breaking this resistance. So target is here. this high. Trend line B here. Can't really decide what to do. Wow. Okay. Good morning, Mike. Best trade this week was not a trade. Probably, yeah. Forex can be such a mess. I'm gonna delete this. This is such a long consolidation we had in this asset. And look at the volume, it's always chasing the top side here. Buyers coming in, breakout. This looks like a breakout. That's what I like to see, increasing volume towards the resistance. This should be... Why is it blue, by the way? This should be a long. Curious, why are you trading a pair that is not in session? Because we clearly have a risk on sentiment in the market, and this pair usually follows this sentiment. But I'm not trading it right now, I'm just checking it. I'm considering to execute, but not, probably not now. Let's see, NZUSD. So I think the waves are very, very messy. I don't really like the structure. I mean, yeah, it looks like a breakout. The volume is chasing. I like that. That's a great evidence for it. Let's counterweight that still. 1, 2. 1 2 3 5. Just want to check something. A B C. C D E. Choppy, 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 choppy. Yeah, so this might be a good long trade. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Think about this area. I'm waiting for gold to drop to buy. Yeah, best strategy you can have for gold, buy the dip. That's the very best, I think. Yeah, I would like to go in here with a buy limit order. I'm gonna write that one down. because it's a very strong resistance the market just broke. We have a risk on sentiment. Odd USD is going up, as well as NZD USD confirms the expectation. What the assumption? So, 40 pips stop loss. No, not 40 pips. That's right. Stop loss is at 570. $44.5. Is it just me, or the UK data did not have a big impact? No, seems like not, buddy. It seems like no. So I'm gonna place the buy limit for RJPY. Cat JPY. Just can't believe how freaking messy this is. Fake outs over fake outs. That one. Let's see whether DXY is ready to just to break through here or not. Just have an eye on this. Very thin again. Okay, yeah, let's see. This is also a plan I have in mind here to sell USD/JPY as DXY continues to drop. This I really get sick of GBP JPY. I think I'm gonna close it soon. Just joined the stream. Morning, guys. Good morning. Euro odd. I think now after the fake out, it's probably gonna go down. I think it might be a good chance to sell it. Hold on, Euro NZD. It's kind of strong. Okay. Now all this seems to be a fake out now. But I'm still waiting for the market to break below this area here. Otherwise I wouldn't touch it. Thing is, the market is seriously so messy. The moves that you see are seriously not reliable at all. But overall, when you look at the 1 hour chart, just, you know, some structure, you can see this breakout here now, and probably, or maybe a continuation here. If it breaks below, then it might continue to the downside. Any thoughts about you and GJ? Yeah, we're still in GJ short, but it's kind of annoying. I think I'm gonna close that one at break even, or close to break even. It's kind of, look at that. How choppy is this? Seriously, look at this 1 hour candle. This is so choppy. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. We're still below this resistance here, which is, in the bigger time frame on the weekly chart, a very strong resistance area here that you can see. This entire area is very, very strong here. It's a strong resistance. And we see this trend line. So the market is fighting here currently. Yeah, NFP week and low liquidity in August, and Corona still, and Euro USD about to break out. Really annoying. So waiting for the retracement here now. What is going on there? You hear this noise? So what do you guys got in mind? Like, we can clearly see like DXY continues to drop, while SPX continues to go up, almost hitting the all-time high. Might retrace a little bit, but then probably will continue to go up. Euro USD at this crucial price zone right now. Look at the weekly chart. Or even the monthly chart, man. Who would have thought that Euro USD would be such strong? When you look at the weekly chart, look how weak this entire downtrend was. I remember everyone was talking about parity coming soon. When the Fed increased the rate, or the rates, everyone was talking about parity. Wow, man. I want to see deeper retracements in on this overextended pairs. You mean all the major pairs, right? All the major pairs. Oh, Euro GBP is about to get stopped. No way, this fake out again. Now look. I expected a fifth wave down, break out of this trend line, break below this area, and of course a fake out. What else? What else? Come on, pick us up and shoot up. That's what I want to see. Look how weak GU is acting against the drop in DXY. Pretty weak though. So I'm gonna write this one down because I want to finish that one first. Wait, that was a first target 161. 261. This will be a break of the 50, 50, 71, 78. Target will be at this very strong resistance here. Well, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a potential A, B, C. Crude oil is rising. More risk on in the market. If we soon see kind of, you know, correlations with sense, then the market, then CHF might be, you know, getting weak. Right. Check something. Fake out middle line here. So yeah, this might be a chance here. This might be a chance. What do you think of EJ? I was looking at it. I'm expecting a breakout soon. Looking at Euro JPY, I was looking at this. Yeah, it already happened. So like I was looking this morning, I was looking at this area here, this and the trend line that I've marked up, and with the wave count, it would, you know, it's almost like the last setup that we traded, which was that one, right? In this scenario, we were trading A, B, C, D. No, it was DE. Wait, what was it? I gotta check it. It's almost the same scenario, same kind of contraction here. That one. DE1. Yeah. Yeah, now it's breaking about there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, because it broke above this strong resistance area here. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Extended wave should be longer than 1. So if it continues to the upside, then probably with a very strong momentum. Still expecting that one. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Yeah, okay. See, this is bleeding diagonal, probably. 3, 4, 5. Always choppy. 5. So yeah, there might be more space to the upside. Wait. This might be. Would it be fine? No, wait. Let's see. Eight. Hold on. 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. 161. More accurate, yeah. Consolidation. Yeah, we can wait for the next retracement and then go in there. Then we should consider to close GBP JPY. So basically the setup would look like this. The breakout is here. Would not be too greedy. Stop loss should be below this support area. Oh, wait. This level here. Yeah, this is a great level to catch. Trend channel. Oops, you rejected one. I like the increasing buy pressure here. That's great. We just need to wait for the next retracement. Alicia, GBP USD analyst, please. We're gonna take a look at it. Hey, what up? Doing good, Aurelio? Yeah, a bit annoyed by the week, but off the market, you know, which is just volatile like shit. But yeah, Euro CHF. What do you mean? What do you mean? We can look at that one as well. First, I'm gonna write down the data for Euro JPY, because I would like to buy with the next retracement in this area here. So this is the buy zone. This is where the breakout happened. We don't trade the entire pole of this hold on, 4, 5. The entire pole of this contraction, of this impulse before the contraction. So stop loss should be below this support area, or this support level here. This is $53.5 pips. Stop loss and a risk reward of 2.14. Okay, let's keep that one open. Hope that odd JPY will retrace a bit for us. That would be awesome. Phew, for now we had the perfect stop loss. Wow. Well, let's see if this is a fake out again or not, but crazy. Breaks above, I'm gonna close it. Next time it breaks above, I will close it here. Okay, so Euro GBP now. GBP was good barbecue on Friday. Got drunk or what? What you mean? On Friday, yeah, it was nice. I didn't drink because I was driving, but my girlfriend was drinking and my friends, they were drinking. I was just eating a lot. GBP USD. But yeah, barbecue was good. Such a mess, man. I think the last time I've seen such a messy and non-farm payrolls week was at the beginning of the year. But this is seriously hardcore mess, a hardcore mess. We should actually trade stocks right now instead of Forex. Stock trading is very easy in this market. I'll look some analysis I did. A friend of mine who's doing more like fundamental analysis has a TradingView account as well. I did the technical part, he did the fundamental part, and yeah, we were also checking some stocks here like Nikola Corp, like this, you know. You can clearly see this is my style, you know, but it's his trading view account. I just did some technicals, and you know, trading or finding nice stocks to trade is so easy right now. It's so easy, way better. Almost every stock is in profit. Just still waiting for Bank of America to do something. Almanac G still waiting for, yeah, now it's at the entry here. Man, it's so easy. It's so easy. Probably gonna do this in the future. Let's see. Because there you have clear fundamentals. It's way easier than Forex these days. Come on, give us the retracement. And here you should give us the retracement as well, please. Give us the retracement that we need. We need the retracement. By the way, if you want, guys, you can leave my friend a like here or a follow if you want. Just posted that on TradingView. The TradingView link here. If you want, you can click a follow, like. I bet he would freak the fuck out and oops, I just don't meant to say this word. He would freak the hell out and say, "Oh my gosh, dude, look, I got likes and follows." Well, I'm gonna do something. Okay, so sorry, GBP USD. Just had to do something. GBP USD, yeah, I think it's gonna be bullish as well. Like, you can clearly see the breakout here. Also in the daily chart, you can see this trend line, the breakout, the retest. Now it will probably continue to the top side, especially with the DXY weakness. Let's look at key levels. It's like in the middle of the nowhere. Like there's a resistance coming soon. Not soon. It's the weekly chart. But that one. Yeah, strong support area. This could be the trading range, at least in the bigger time frame. So yeah, I expect it to go up. Look, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. I'm 1.5 risk reward. You mean at Euro USD doing good, bullish push? Yeah, nice. What are you? What is your stop loss? What is your entry? Wait, Euro USD. It's already 0.5% up, dude. Wow. So GBP USD. Yeah, looks like yeah. Oops. Wait. 118.090, nice. Wow, nice, dude. So this is your entry. Yeah. I was considering to go, man, this morning I was considering to go long as well because I was just looking at DXY, how it retested the resistance. I was like, okay, it's probably gonna go down. This exactly, this one, this move here was exactly your entry. Like this move. See this resistance? And the retest here was exactly your entry. I was like, oh man, we should actually go short here. Or long for Euro USD. When I've seen this. It's just moving up. One, two. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this looks like it's gonna continue. I don't count the subwaves here now in this area. Clearly shows we had a third wave here, and so a correction. We're right at the trend line, so we should actually go in right now because we see. First of all, we are right at this trend line here. Right at this trend line here, and we see this breakout. It's obvious to me. Fake out, stop loss fishing, now goes up. Now look at this. Clean level here, this one, very nice level here, and the breakout. Correct that a bit. Clearly see the reaction here. Yeah. closing price and highs. Yeah. Okay. Wow, I don't follow that. I don't really know, so I just stick to currency strength and correlations. Maybe I will test previous week's high, filling that week. Probably though. It's possible, man. Definitely possible. I'm just a bit annoyed by that one. Dude, why don't you show us a retest as usual when after a breakout like that? Show us a retest, dude. Also, Euro JPY, they all should actually show us a retest. Like in the last breakout that we traded, that one, we also got the retest here. Or but in this case, we're more like an aggressive entry, aggressive approach to trade that one. But yeah. I think we can go long Euro GBP USD. Wave. Very nice. I mean, it's volatile. Look at that, volatile, but very nice reaction here at this support area. So plan is to go long here. This area. Very strong one. Hey bro, how did you train yourself to be so patient? Lack of patience has dealt with me in this market. Just by the pain that you feel when you're impatient. The pain you have to deal with. Guess that's all we have to learn. To be patient is something that we don't know anymore, right? So you just learn to be patient. You have to, otherwise you won't make it. So the only thing I'm concerned about is now, okay, we've seen this pump, DXY could retrace back, then we could see the retracement we need to execute this trade. Let's check the 15-minute. tip that I have for the patient is that you do like he does. Wait to get a better price position to enter, make alarms. Meanwhile, you do a zapping on the pairs and see better opportunities. So you're not over trading, you're overlooking, but that's better than over trading. Yeah, I think another good way to avoid the impatience is, you know, not caring about missing a chance. Like if you miss a chance, then it doesn't, you know, it shouldn't bother you, like, because you're surfing on the ocean, and when you surf on the ocean, then you can be sure that the wave you've missed that you wanted to surf won't be the last wave. There will always be another wave, you know, and if you miss it, dude, then you miss it, but at least you don't waste your energy and chase it, you know. You shouldn't be scared, man. You shouldn't be like, you know, yeah, you shouldn't FOMO. I think this will make you more calm and relaxed, and when you're more calm and relaxed, then you automatically become more patient, I think. Always be patient. No, it just broke. Okay, next retracement, I'm gonna early exit here for retraces now. Like now, I will not chase it. I will not buy right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for another retracement, especially because the market is so, you know, so choppy. And when the market is so choppy, we can expect actually another move down. I'm gonna write it down. GBP USD. We need the data. So the plan for GBP USD is to buy here. So when I look at the volumes, definitely a chance here. There's a lag. No, there's a lack of volume. There might be a chance to get another retracement. 4, 6, 5, and the take profit is at 1.49. And this is a stop loss of 62 pips. You maybe don't have the opportunity now, but you can have a few hours from now. Then you feel like a lion because you were waiting for that and it's working like you planned. Just my opinion. To those that are seeing, man, I overtrade like a beast, destroyed accounts like crazy. Being honest with you all, I just try to look for better stop loss entries. Makes me wait more. What is your BS on Euro GBP? Oh, dude, still short. I'm still more bearish. This is my analysis for Euro GBP, and you know, we have the trend line. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. We have the trend line here, and we see this, you know, double top pattern here. Oh, it's a messy double top. The break below this trend line. We're still below this trend line. We just retested it. The break below the retest of the neck area and the trend line, and I actually expect a continuation downwards. and a fifth wave here in the smaller time frame. That's what I actually expect to happen. But it's a crazy market. As long as SPX climbs the XY, I will drop. No, do we get the chance? Do we get the chance? By the way, this is my plan for GBP USD. Now we can actually increase it a bit like that. That's okay. Below this. So now look at the ATR. What is this? It says 0.0018. Yeah, there's more than enough. According to the volatility. This is for GBP USD, or my plan for GBP USD. DJ just done a mad one, yeah. I'm waiting for the retracement now. If it's back here, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close it. It's so annoying. The whippiness in the market. Whippiness. We need the retracements, hopefully during the US session. It's 12 right now. Almost 2 hours left for the pre-sale of the US session. Then we might get the retracements we are waiting for, or that I'm waiting for. So let's wait a bit. I'll be right back. Hopefully we get the entry. Okay. What is happening? What is happening? That is GBP USD, yeah. Irvin. What are your thoughts on RJPY? Have a trading plan or already that is RJPY here. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm still waiting for the retracement, hopefully during the US session. Some retracements here. You can generally see this accumulation here and the breakout now. It's time to retrace, my friends. Come on. Bears, give it the chance to execute GBP USD. So what else can we look at? It's crazy when you look at the bonds, the yields. Just going down and down and down and down and down. It's crazy. The yield is at 120 almost. Oh my gosh. Gold. It looks so crazy, right? It looks so crazy when you look at it. By the way, what about silver? Silver should follow, right? Yeah, silver is following. Look at the week or the monthly chart of silver. There's a lot of potential to the upside, by the way. Look, silver is testing this strong resistance. It might either, you know, consolidate here or, you know, retrace a bit. Possible, at least technically. For those who don't want to hold it long term and just want to make quick money and have a target here in this area, it might be a short opportunity. Oh my gosh, in this area somewhere. Oh, but yeah. Oh, Euro GBP, you are crazy. That's impossible to trade, GJ. It's so messy, dude. It's like going up, down, up, down, up, down all the time. It's just. But GBP USD could do us the favor and go down now, as well as RJPY and Euro JPY. This would be awesome. And we get 3 trades that we could execute. It's time for DXY to. That is the question, guys. Is this a higher low? Is this a higher low? DXY. It's the retracement, by the way. No, but as long as we see SPX going up, DXY will drop. It's not that hard in short time frames. I caught the first buy, then sell down and back up again. Just have to look high. Just have to look at higher time frames. You mean GBP JPY? You mean like what is shorter time frame for you? Like 15 minutes or what is the short time frame for you? Or the 5 minutes or the 1 minute chart? What is lower time frames? I wouldn't consider it since there isn't an exhaustion yet. 50 minutes in that case. Yeah, like then if you trade the 50-minute chart, you can say, okay, look, there's a breakout, let's go long, take profit. Then you can say, all right, there's a resistance area here, like there, let's go short. Oh, look, it's back in the range. Oh, look, it has tested this trend line. This one, look, oh, beautiful fake. Oh, let's go long. Of course, man, always possible. Is GBP/JPY at a strong rejection zone? Yes, it is. Very strong rejection zone, as you can see here. Look here, here. It's a strong rejection zone here. Plus this trend line. Very strong rejection zone. Should actually be a zone of higher bearish confluence, but when fundamentals say no, then it might go up. Can you please check the volatility, you mean, or the volume? The volume for it. Guess you mean the volume, right? So what we can see overall, this is a high volume zone here. This is a high volume zone here, and or a higher, wait, I have to adjust this in the smaller time frame. Let's take ticks per row. At night. Yeah, there's a reversal possible. Yeah, we need to look. We generally see this is usually a high volume node, and this high volume node, or this high volume, used to cause a lot of transactions, a lot of profit saves, and more sellers coming in or came into the market. And when, hold on, the problem is this is has not that much value for us right now, because it was during the Asia session, that one. This is Hong Kong opening here. This is at night, at least in my time zone night. So this is also at night. And the London session, hold on, begins right there. London session begins right there. accumulation, no increasing volume now. So yeah, it was kind of a volatile spike, and these are often signs for reversal when you see such a volatile high volume spike like that one towards the resistance. But you can see that there's no one, the bulls are not really following that one. This is often an evidence for a fake out when you look at key levels. See, there's a low volume node here, and we were retesting the high volume node up here where all the bears were taking place. So it overall looks like, look, the volume, even the sell volume is pretty high though. That looks like the bulls are saving their profits right now. The bears taking the chance to sell this resistance and currently win because the bulls are not interested to buy this high price. It means they're not really convinced that the market is going to break through. I overall expect, if the market continues like that, then I expect GBP JPY to break about soon if SPX continues like that. But for now, it looks like a reversal. And here's a high volume node again in this area, also a support area. Here is the support area, and then we have to see whether the market is going to accumulate again or not. You see always these spikes here, these high volume spikes towards the resistance, like that one, with higher volatility, and then you see the distribution, the slow distribution. Same here, high volatility, look here, high volatility, lots of volume, and slowly distribution. And again, high volatility, slow distribution. Definitely possible. El posible. GBP USD is at the entry now. Ugh. I have to wait a bit. What's the color of your background? The background is appearance. This one, not that bright, a little bit darker. This one, because I would get eye cancer if I got like this. So that one, gray, almost white. It's a little bit more relaxing for my eyes. To take CAD JPY, I'm long. CAD JPY. That was a setup actually from last week. Why? Simply because of the risk on sentiment, and that CAD is getting really strong by the pump of oil. Is oil still? Hold on. The pump of oil. Now looking at the daily chart, we are about to break this resistance here, and if we break this resistance, we can consider to go long. Now see, it's a very nice one, and this has been a very nice fake out here. This one. So this is a range. You can see how the market is about to break out to follow this entire to follow this trend here. Because back then we were trading, I remember this triangle here, or this contraction here, that one. Remember that we went long here. That was an yeah, we had an BC X 1 2 X, so choppy with the 1 2 3 4 5 X. Hold on, that was, what was it again? The breakout. There was X1 2 5 ABC. Yeah, I won't do the complete wave count now, but I'm basically waiting. That was the plan for the breakout here. For the breakout here with the target area close to the previous high, that one here. That's the plan. That is the plan. NZUC is suffering again. Why would you do this to me, buddy? So Euro GBP again going down. Good. Do you do quick scalp trades? Currently not, no. Yesterday I did one. Because I'm testing like a fake out strategy currently. Yesterday I did one scalp trade, which was Euro NZD. I remember that one. Yesterday I scalped right there. It was, yeah, right there. Scalped here. Because there has been a very strong key level. This one, this resistance here on the forward chart, you can see it a bit better. I was looking at this resistance area here. We've seen all the fake outs here. Look, great support, resistance, support, resistance. And yesterday I was trading the 15-minute chart. I'm also then looking at correlations. Have seen this fake out here. I'm also looking at the volume and the HCR. Yeah, this here high volatility compared to the previous one. This volume's accumulation here, low volume note, fake out, sell limit, took profit. So my short trade was like that with a very tight stop loss right about this spike. That was one, but I'm still testing it, so. Back in the days, I always traded I made scalp trades with the opening range. Worked pretty well. Then I was just looking at the opening range, cash market, future market, like that one. This would have been the opening range of today. Or like this and this. Yeah, this. What I basically did, I was waiting for the break about this area or below. But that worked pretty well for indices like DAX. Could see a retracement here. CHF. Oh, I need to change it now. Euro CHF is repeatedly like rejecting off this resistance here. And looking at this, you can still see how strong CHF actually is, and it makes no sense. Because Euro USD is going high and a Euro CHF cannot really follow. That definitely indicates CHF power. Overall, we can see it's still in the trend channel. And as long as we don't break through, you have to expect the market to continue with the trend. Overall, I mean, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 4 weeks trying to break through this resistance area here. So in the long term, if we want to follow the trend, just open a short here. Euro USD falling. That's good. Euro USD is falling while GBP USD is kind of stable. Good for Euro GBP. I would love to go short silver now. I have an eye on that. I got stopped at break even after the previous spike. Euro CHF. Euro CHF in the short term can really be frustrating now. When you look at the daily chart, it's just a mess generally. if you have a trend, then it's like it's just moving down, almost not retracing, just some spikes here. And then you have these weird type of contractions and consolidations, like that one, like that one. It just looks weird, and it does not stick to any structures. Not really. I mean, there's a great spot to go short, right? It's a great spot. But CHF is so manipulated by the banks. Oh, is DXY going to retrace soon? And now look at entity USD. This is ridiculous, man. It takes 1, 2, almost 2 hours to get in profit. Now this 1 hour candle is just moving down. Ridiculous. I'm curious whether this is a fake out or not. This is another fake out. Change it now. Definitely cute level. Key level fake breakout. I think I'm gonna do a scalp myself. Lots of cells here. Looks like a fake breakout above this area. Nice fast approach or test here, and now the move down. Zero JPY retracing as well. Not really. What am I doing? I'm looking to go long entity CHF when the batch gets broken on the 1 hour chart. What do you think? I'm gonna take a look at it. Hold on. Wait a beat. Let's fake out here. So NZD-CHF, you wanted to take a look at that? Oops. Now crypto. Okay. NZD-CHF. So what do you see? You see a... So first of all, I also expect it to go up, even though the structure is kind of choppy here. So the question is, what are you looking at? Like, I see this downtrend or the correction here, the trend line, the first breakout, the retest, and here the fan. Look how it struggles at the fan here. Overall, we can see in the daily chart, it is a very nice support area. And this trend line. So yeah, there might be a great chance to go long, but as always, CHF is always tricky to trade because of the banks doing their, you know, shit. This could be the fourth wave, and then I expect the fifth wave up. Hold on. You know that ABC, and we should actually see a... Could still consolidate a bit. Moves like that. Go up again. X. Shoot. Possible scenario, man. Definitely a possible scenario here. Look at Euro CHF struggles again. Look at the 1 hour chart. Damn. So I'm just waiting now for the setups to get ready. Want to see another retest of GBP USD down here. European stocks drift higher as earnings remain in focus. Sectors retain. Chinese ambassador to the US said China is prepared to negotiate with other countries for peaceful solution to South China Sea disputes. Further US coronavirus relief bill talks will take place today. Oh, okay. US Treasury Secretary Mnuchin said he wants to have an understanding by the end of the week. Looking ahead, highlights include U.S. service and composite final PMIs, ADP national employment, U.S. ISM non-manufacturing PMI, weekly DOES, Fed semester BOG, Governor Kuroda, and BCB rate decision. Coronavirus update. Novavax vaccine data was initially reported to have 8 patients that had side effects which required hospitalizations, with about 80% of volunteers had side effects at the site of injection, including pain. Oh, okay. Blah 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 blah. Headaches, muscle pain. Okay. BioNTech announced the start of a clinical trial of RNA-based corona vaccine in China. Australia's Victoria State Premier confirmed a record of 725 of new daily coronavirus infections, while Queensland State declared New South Wales and the Australian Capital Territory as coronavirus hotspots and will shut its borders to the two territories from August. The mortality rate was said to be roughly halved on hospitalized corona-19 patients that received transfusions of blood plasma. Okay, that's good. Oh, US and China have agreed to high-level talks on August 15th. Trade agreement signed early this year. Blah, blah, okay. Man, the TikTok shit here, man. Who wants to buy TikTok? Microsoft, right? I think it was Microsoft. Joe, you own stocks, aren't you? Do you invest in any form of... not yet. What I have in mind was BioNTech. I'm looking at BioNTech right now. We'll probably make the run. BioNTech, yeah. I'm looking at Lufthansa still. Lufthansa. We were looking at Lufthansa, by the way, a few days ago. Yeah, it might... Lufthansa, I'm looking at Boeing still. Boeing is pretty cheap right now. There's a lot of potential. Here. It's at 165 now. It has been at 445. That's what I'm looking at. Oh wait, I had a lot of... Wait, where's my list? Is looking at Okado. I'm looking at Nexity. Is one I want to buy. I'm looking at EA. Yeah. Evolution Gaming. And Delivery Hero. Yeah, I'm looking at, you know, lots of different stocks right now, currently. Oh, you don't trigger me, buddy? You don't trigger me? You don't want me to trade this fake out? Wirecard should be giving the earnings today. Oh, this could be interesting, man. This could be... Let's check it, man. Wait. Earning reports. Square, Deutsche Post, BMW, Thomson Reuters. Are you sure? Wait, Wirecard. Where's Wirecard? Do you see Wirecard? Yeah, it's the 5th of August. I see. Yeah. Yeah, it should be today. Oh man, the market is not picking me up, guys. I wanted to use my strategy again that I'm testing and testing and testing. Too bad. I was too late. Never mind. Shit happens. This would have been 1.5 already. Shit. Never mind. Let's skip this one. I'm gonna delete the order. You can see when you look them up on TradingView. Okay, Wirecard, wait. Everyone is looking at Wirecard. You want to get that cheap price. Man, actually, to be honest, you have nothing to lose, right? So you could actually, and before we get even the report, you could just buy it. Because, I mean, what should happen? It could go down to 0. But if there are good earnings, it might give all the bulls more hope and it jumps up. Just a bit, maybe. You don't know. So, settings. Where can I see events somewhere? Events. You already bought it? Nice, dude. Just a little bit of gambling, right? But to be honest, you have nothing to lose. I mean, what do you want to lose? I mean, if you buy one stock, it is at 192. What should happen? You lose a bit of money, but if it goes up, dude, you have a huge risk reward. A huge risk reward here. And it's funny though, when you look at the 4-hour chart, look what happened. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Just nothing at all. Euro GBP almost back in profit. Let's go. Morning, mates. Hayden, what's up? How you doing, buddy? Gold retracing to 2000. Is it still good to buy at that point? I think it's always good to buy gold. It depends on how you want to buy it, I guess. I think it's always, I mean, if you don't mind retrace, when the market retraces, just buy. If you do leverage trading, CFDs, then yeah, you might be very carefully, because we know how volatile gold can be. Like that one, look. Like if you look at this spike here, that was from, it's almost like not like Bitcoin, but this is 1981, and it retraced back down to 1907. This is almost a correction, or this is a correction of almost 4%. So it's always risky to buy that high with leverage, when you use stop loss. If you say, hey, I'm gonna buy here at 2000, where's 2000? I'm gonna buy here at 2000. Yeah, and I got my stop loss somewhere here, or I don't have any stop loss because I just invest, then it's fine. But overall, if it gets close to structure levels, like like here, this resistance, then I would definitely buy it, because this is definitely worth a try. Stop loss level below this area somewhere. This is definitely worth a try. But you know, gold can be very volatile, so be carefully. So GBP USD is now retesting the area as odd JPY is a little bit slow, and Euro JPY is testing this area as well. So we might get the chance to at least execute GU and Euro JPY. This would be awesome. Do you know when we will get to see the report? And where do you see it here, by the way? Where can you see on TradingView events? I just see events. Show economic events on chart. Show evidence. This event here probably estimates. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, there is no, it's just a date. Yeah, I see. Thanks. Let's get into the 5-minute chart and hope. Oh, look, it's going up. Oh my gosh. Look, it's going up. Oh my god. This is going to be a yummy winner. So I will just look at Euro, at GBP USD now, and Euro GBP is doing well. Come on, buddy, let's do it. Seriously, when I placed the order with my bank, my contact person called me to make sure that I was correct, that I want to buy the stock. He was like, "Are you serious, man? Who would buy this stock after, you know, these news, money laundering and stuff?" He's like, "What the hell?" Or they are scared that you're gonna make a lot of money because they know that it's gonna go up and it's so cheap. Were you buying just 1,000 shares or something? So they are scared that you're gonna make a lot of, or make tons of money with this leverage you have. If it jumps up to 40 or oh gosh, man, when I see this, I really, but again, I will definitely make a screenshot of this, because this is another nice example for my strategy. This is another nice example for my strategy that I'm working on. Wait, where's the ATR? ATR here, yeah. Volatility. This is at point. Oh, I just bought 40 shares. So you got nothing to lose, dude. This is a key resistance. Key resistance. Resistance level. Fake out. what's that? Break move towards key resistance. Gotta save that one. Okay, just for me, my strategy that I'm currently testing. Saving that one. So, ham. Do you have any ideas for all USD? All USD long, like NZD USD. All USD benefits from gold, benefits from the DXY weakness, and benefits from the risk on sentiment in the market, dude. It's just long. It broke this resistance area here, and now it should continue to the upside. If it breaks this high, easy long. Easy long here. Nothing else to say, man. Easy. Easy long. Be right back, guys. I want to see whether the market is going to hit my target or not. Hi, what's your Instagram? Oh, I don't even have Instagram. Well, I got Instagram, but I don't really use it. Like I said, I have no idea what to post there. like here, this is my Instagram is trading too easy. My personal Instagram, but there's also LCFXpro Instagram, but this is my personal one. But I don't really, I have no post there. Come on, GU, give us another nice retest. Very exciting indeed. Oh yeah, my Instagram's account's very exciting. I was twittering a lot, or tweeting. What's the let's see. This is a fake out. Short again. ATR. Is this another fake out? GU tends to go down. Let's see. Honestly, you can give tips, show us your trades, your photos, what you want. If it's okay if you don't like it though. Yeah, but it's something I show every day on Telegram. Like I show you my trades every time when I post them on TradingView. I mean, of course I can post them on, I mean, what, like I can do like FXpro, like, you know, I'm gonna rent a Lambo, you know, and got a couple of, you know, prop money in my hands and make, yo guys, I'm a freaking millionaire, look at that shit. Like these guys always do. Oh, look at me, this is the life you could have. Oh my gosh. Like this millionaire lifestyle FX shit, you know. Oh my gosh, look at me. Yeah, Instagram is more public. You can have new people following you and knowing you. Yeah, definitely something to think about. Come on, GU. Retrace a bit more. Thanks. Would be awesome. Ron is long on oil, that's why. Ron, yeah, Ron has quadrillions on his bank account, on his trading account. So he was the one who was collecting like for a couple of days before the oil actually goes up. You know, Ron needs to stack and fool the retailers. We know you, Ron. We know what you're doing. Not anymore. Like, not anymore. Oh, I remember once I had a few quadrillions on my bank account, but now since I'm trading Forex, it's all gone. Oh, okay. I was going all in. Ah, okay. Called you those days that your account was full. Can't imagine this. Oh man, let's see if the market can confirm my expectation. This is not the best scenario here that I see. See high volume. Definitely sell stacks here. God damn. Always these guys trying to sell you something. Sorry. Shorting now. Target. So I'm doing a quick GBP JPY scalp trade. And Euro GBP doesn't really know what to do. GBP USD stands still, Euro USD moves. Euro USD stands still, GBP moves. That's probably why it's so choppy. So let's see. Just a test on my strategy. Okay. Give us more retracements. Bruh, give us more retracements. Use all breaks resistance? Probably, huh? Okay, oil. Yup, oil just broke the resistance. I expect that yesterday we seen this nice fake out here. I was like, oh, we should actually go long. It's also part of the fake out strategy. Like this nice fake out here. Taking out the bias. Because this has been a very strong support level. And this breakout. So pretty good for CAT. Could CAT CHF finally move up? No, it can't because SHF is so strong, probably. Give us the chance. Alt USD, Alt JPY, come on. And what is CAT JPY? Must fly. Is CAT JPY flying? Almost. Not really now, but maybe soon. Maybe soon. Close to entry price, but not. What volume or volatility indicator do you use? I'm using ATR, average to range, the session volume, and the vertical volume. And this is just the range, the volume of the range that you see here. That's what I use. Like I said, this is just a back test or a test of it. In this case, it's not that great because we don't have the right preconditions here. This would have been the better scenario, but there we have seen no fake out. Like high volatility or high volatility, high volume spike, and a lack of bias. This is the perfect. These are almost the perfect preconditions for a fake out trade. Like here on oil. Strong key support area. Here, key support area. ATR. High volatility spike here. High volume spike. Lack of sellers. Go long after this nice fake out. You can clearly see the difference here. Yeah, now GBP/USD moving up without us. Too bad. But it's not the best timing to trade right now because the US market is about to open or the pre-sale begins in 30 minutes. So it's not the best time right now to execute any trades. Let's see. Maybe the volatility will do us a favor. Wait, let's look at DXY. Continues to go down crazy. Financial crisis. The bank starts to cut the rates. Stock market goes up. More demand in US stocks. US dollar value goes up. Demand in stocks. Stock rally. Demand in stocks. Man in stocks. Trump is here. Central banks cut rates. Central banks starting to. Central Bank of Fed starting to increase interest rates. Corona, rate cuts. Boom. Let's see, guys. I think I'm gonna wait for the US opening. SPX maybe coming up with another drop here. Just as a retracement. We know how choppy SPX is. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We don't get the chance to. Too bad. Why don't you retrace? Anyways, what are you guys trading currently? Are you just watching or are you trading something? Because I think I'm gonna take a break until the US session begins. Because now is the worst time to trade, worst time to execute any trades. And then we wait for the US session to begin. 30 minutes to pre-sale and 2 hours until Wall Street opens. Yeah, ADP non-farm employment coming up as well. At what time? Let's look. In 40 minutes, yeah. So guys, I'm gonna take a break right now because I don't consider to execute anything for now. I would just watch. I'll take a break and watch later and wait for the ADP non for the ADP non-farm employment, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do. All right, guys, do you got anything else to look at? Like, yeah, oil, we don't need to chase it. We can wait for another attempt here to, not attempt, for another retest here. But it's good for our cat trade. Tracement here of this area would be awesome to find a long. But I think I will take a break right now. I'm still waiting for Euro JPY, for R JPY, for GBP USD. We need to wait for the ADP. Maybe we're gonna get some nice retracements and then we can, by the volatility, and then we can execute some trades. But I'm gonna post it if I do so. NZD cap broke support. Should I say gold? FX Gooner. Gold. Everyone is looking at gold, the new Bitcoin. Oh, it's showing me all the events. I don't want to see that. Yeah, and the cat broke this support, right? Yeah. Because oil is so strong. But the best pair obviously is USD cat to trade. The best pair because of the DXY weakness caused by the inflation, and the stock market rally plus oil is the best combination for USD cat to drop. The best combination. And the cat is a bit more tricky, more choppy, because risk on means NZD strength, and at the same time oil strength, so Canadian dollar strength. In terms of correlations, more choppy, not that clean, you know. Yeah, it's about to test this area here, this range. Strong support in the weekly chart, even in the weekly chart here. Tricky range. Clean breakout, maybe another retest, and then it could continue to the upside here. You look at the bigger time frame. But yeah, in the smaller time frame, maybe a nice short, but the structure is so choppy, look, because of the correlations. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna take a break now. If we don't get the trades, then we don't chase it, but it all looks like more risk on, more DXY weakness, and so more strength for GBP USD and Euro USD. But yeah, I'm gonna check the market during the US session, and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen then. Euro GBP actually looks good now. We'll continue the move. DXY, yeah. We're gonna buy here. Now I saved this. That was good for my strategy. That was a good one. And we could actually consider to buy Euro USD here in order to follow the trend. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break now, and then we see, because we got stacks here. That's nice, increasing volume. That's great. All right, guys, I'm up for now. I'm gonna take a break to be refreshed for the US session, and then we see what we can do. I'll see you on later, and on Telegram. Let's see how the ADP non-farm payroll will look like. It's gonna be interesting. By the way, what is the forecast is 3,000. No, the previous forecast was 3,000. Wait, the forecast is 1,500. The previous was 2,300 and almost 70. And now, okay, could be possible. Anyways, guys, I see you later. I'm up for now, and yeah, we'll be back live on Friday. So far, not the most exciting session right now, but Friday could be exciting. On Friday, I will also I will probably not stream during the London session because I want to wait for the non-farm payrolls, and then I'm going to live stream and we can trade it together. Okay. My Telegram, my Telegram. Hold on, my own Telegram is. Well, we have the LCFX Telegram, and my Telegram, my personal Telegram is. Hold on. That is my personal one. All right. Good luck trading, guys. Rather stay out until we see the result for the ADP. And I'll see you on Friday. Peace.